మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter, Dr. Jerry. మిత్రులారా, today we are continuing our West Punjab series, that is Paschim Punjab series across the RadCliffe line or Ravi line, ideological line between the Darul Harbi east side, Darul Mumini west side, Paschim Punjab or Maghrebi Punjab. This particular presentation 17 explores in detail about THAL desert region. THAL desert is an extension of Thar desert, the greater Rajputana desert. After this presentation, you will get a very great clarity. And from the middle part, I will show you the various diverse topographic the maps that will give you the more clarity, and that will be the most important part. The one I have shown here, the yellow blob, that is the THAL region, THAL physiographic region of Paschim Punjab. Mitronam, and this is our West Punjab series, Paschim Punjab series. We have covered so far more than 16 plus or so presentations, and this particular presentation will be looking at this part 17, the Thal Desert, important physiographic region of the land of Sheri Punjab Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who after 40 years of the rule passed away at Lahore city on the banks of river Mother Ravi. All these presentations, Mitronam, you can find at South Asia Maps J. Reddy. There are more than 600 presentations as of 2024 September. You see, there are 70 or so playlists on varied diverse topics you can explore as of your interest. South Asia Maps J. Reddy. Mitronam, we are looking here physiographic region. Why you have to look at the physiographic region? Why? It gives the different perspective compared to the normal admin geography or political geography. You can see the Paschim Punjab. Just you see the lines drawn, the political divisions of the districts, jillas, taluks, tehsils. This is a different perspective, but this physical aspect gives to how the terrain, the land habitat is related to the physical features, the mountains, rivers, the domes and bars, and the plateaus, peneplains, and so on. That gives a deeper inkling of socio-political aspects of the current time. Previously, we looked very deep about the Sindh Sagar Doab. That is a very broad region. You can see the Sindh Sagar Doab, northern part. This is the Attak district, Rawalpindi. Now is the Talagang district, Chekwal and Jhelum. This is all the northern part of Sindh Sagar Doab. We are looking at the southern part of the Sindh Sagar Doab. That is the the Mian Valley. I have presented as a different basin, Mian Valley Basin, but that is a transition, the gray zone. But Mian Valley district, Bakar district, Laya, and this is the Kot Adda, Muzaffargarh. Historical, there used to be only two districts. There is the Muzaffargarh and Mian Valley. This region is the Thal region. That is a semi-arid desert region, and that part we are exploring today. And Mitranam, this is our Punjab series, and I have put other related series across the RadCliffe that may be interest to you, or it can be explored jointly. That is the Punjab series of Punjab history. You can see all the treaties and so on. This is the broader Punjab geography, rivers and doves, different perspective. This is the Himachali speaking Punjab, Kangri speaking or Pahadi speaking Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. This is the Haryanvi speaking, Kariboli speaking Punjab. Haryana series I explored, and of course the Punjabi speaking East Punjab across the Radcliffe line, Ravi line, we explored together. And this is the British Punjab, that is seven political divisions and around about 36 districts or so broadly. And I also included the Bahawalpur region with three districts. And this is the four Punjabs. We covered that. There are four Punjabs. All these things, they go hand in hand. Mitronam, there are four Punjabs, that is across the Red Cliff line, the ideological line between Darul Momini and Darul Harb, Momins and infidels, Kafirs, enlightened Ilam and darker Jahilia, and eastern side three, western side one. Based upon this is the result of the tragic story of partition. We will not be covering here. Our interest is only West Punjab region at present. In the beginning, at part one, I have broadly covered the 18 geographical regions, physiographic zones, and you should consult that so that you will get a broader, deeper understanding, overview understanding. We're talking about a particular sub-region, 16 here, that is the THAL region. We covered broadly entire the Sindh Sagar do before, that is 15. I also covered the salt range number 4 here, 18 Mian Valley Basin, Indus Gaj, I will cover next five, Mian Valley Basin, the Potwar region, and Punjab Sivaliks and Kalachita ranges elsewhere. The some of the districts, these are the districts always keep in mind spatio-temporal progression of the history. Historically, there used to be two districts when the British left. This is the Mian Valley district and Muzaffargarh district. Previously, it used to be called Kongarh district. And now, this entire Muzaffargarh district plus northern parts is considered the Thal, that is the Muzaffargarh district and Kot Adu district, Laya district and Bakar district. Even you can say certain parts of southern part of the Mian Valley districts are also Thal region, but I have restricted only to this yellow part. So you just to keep that in mind, because this part is very important, because this is the Sindhu river here, Sindhu Mata, this is the Jhelum river, and it joins Chenab river at a place called Jang, that is also called Trimu Barrage is there in that place, and also Ataran Hazari on the left hand side here, western side. The Chenab continues, this pink, I think that color, whatever it may be, gathers waters of Ravi at 3, that is the Ahmadpur Sial town, and the flow continues Chenab river, and at number 4, that is the Alipur or Uch Sharif, the river gathers the Sutlej waters. Both merge and becomes a short, this reddy spot, Panj Nadi, and Panj Nadi joins Sindhu Mata, Sindhu river, Indus river at Uch Sharif, Maithankot. You can see Maithankot, Alipur, Uch Sharif, Ahmadpur Sial, Ataran Hazari, Harikepattan, the Sutlej river gathers Bias river. So that part we have talked before. This is essentially the same thing. I will go over these things, and I will take you to the actual maps and try to show you the other deeper aspects of the region. The Thal Desert is an extension of the greater Rajputana Desert, Thar Desert. Southern part of Rajputana, northern part of Rajputana Desert called Cholistan Desert, and that is used to be the Abbasi princely state Bahawalpur at partition time. Southern part is the southern part of Sindh Sagar Doab is the Thal Desert. What are the boundaries? If you just to keep that 18 physiographic zones, you can get it very easily. This enclosed, this entire the Doab, the Thal region, enclosed in the southern part. This is the southern part of Sindh Sagar Doab. This is the Sindh River. Across trans is the Deravali region. Derajat, that Deravali region, that is historically Ghazi Khan and Ismail Khan district. Now Ismail Khan district DIK is in the Sarihad or Pakhtunkhwa province. On the east side is a little complicated. We have the Chesdob or Jetdob here, Jhelum and Chenab. And further south we have the Rechnadob here. Then further south we have the Multan and Kanaval Lodran region, that is called Baridob, Bias and Ravi and Bias after joins Satluj River, South Baridob or Lower Baridob. And other part landmarks are the Trimu Barrage here in the northern part close to Mian Valley and sorry, and Chenab River Trimu Barrage near Jang, and Townsa Barrage and Sindhnai and Panj Nod headwaters, that is the Thal Canal. We'll see it in the other map. The districts, as we have discussed, Muzaffargarh district, Kot Adu district, Laya district, Bakar district, western part of the Satanjang district. That is essentially Athar and Hazari, where the river Chenab gets Jhelum. And further, western part is the Ahmadpur Sial, Chenab gets Ravi river waters there. So that part we will be briefly looking at that, and I will keep this. If your tributaries, we look at the mouths before, and this particular part, you want to see how they are spelled, you can get them there. And the river, the itself, you can see here the Sindhu River Turbela Dam. Son River cuts through the Potwar Plateau, joins it near north of Mian Valley. You can see the Jina Barrage near Mian Valley town. Mian Valley town. Further, after Kuram River joins from the west, you have the Chasma Barrage. Because we are from here, we are talking about this all Thal region, Townsa Barrage here. The Jhelum River on the giant, the Trimu Barrage near Jang, Ataran Hazari. Then Sindhnai Barrage near Ahmadpur Sia. Then the Panjnad headwaters, this is the Alipur Uch Sharif. This particular part we are talking about, southern part of Sindh Sagar Dome, that is the Thal Desert. You won't see that clarity here, but it's the Mian Valley Basin, the Potwar Plateau, salt range. This particular part, this is the Deravali region. This is not the idealistic map to look at that, but we will explore in other maps. And how the railway line was built is very important. Physiography. See the Baridob, lower Baridob, we have Multan and Kaneval and Lodran Junction, Satluj River crossed, and you go to Samsat and Bahalpur, that area. And from the Indus Gardita, you can see the Atak cities, the Jand and there are Mian Valley and Dawood Kale and Kundian Junction, railway junction that connects the Kusab and Sargoda. And you see the Daria Khan and Bakkar and Laya Kot Adu, and Muzaffargarh will be somewhere here shown. This is the railway line. The historic district, see the Laya, this is the Kangur district, and Muzaffargarh now is the head. It's later changed to Muzaffargarh, Kangar. At that time, the Laya district. This the entire is the Thal region. So, Thal will start with the Maithankot Panj Nadi. So this is the Maithankot Panj Nadi. See, this is the Uch Sharif Alipur, the joining of the Satluj River, Chenab River here, Alipur and Uch Sharif. Mithankot is here where the Sindhu Mata gets the waters of the Panj Nadi, which is a union of major five rivers of Punjab, that is also Panj Dobs. So we'll see this Muzaffargarh. You can see the Kangar is not here. In other place I will show. Yeah, Kangar, the historical name Kangar is there, and that's later changed to Muzaffargarh. This is the Thal region. You can see now we have the Kot Adu district here. Remember, the Jang district is a very complicated district. The Jang, eastern part of the Jang district is in the, this is in the Jetchdob, this is in the Rechnadob, that is the Shorecoat and the Jang. Western part you can see Ahmadpur Shial and sorry Ahmadpur Shial here. where the Ravi River joins, and Ataran Hazari, Jang or Trimo, it is in the actual Thal regions. That's what you have. Certain other parts like Lalian, they are actually comes in the Jet Dob or Chaz Dob. So we will not be interested that here. So that's why just to keep in mind, Jang district is a little complicated. And also Shahiwal district or Sargoda district or Shapur district. This part is also Thal region. Kushab and those regions. You can see Joharabad, Kushab will be somewhere here. So remember, these are the transition Kushab here, Kushab district. These are the transitions. So where does actually Thal starts and Mianwali Basin I designated as the northern part close to the Potwar Plateau. So you keep that in mind. You can see all of this. So again, you can see the same thing in a different perspective. You have to catch the important landmarks. The landmarks here you can catch is the Potwar Plateau. This is the Koi Namak. Ko means mountains, Namak is salt range. So this is the barrage. This is the Jinabaraj. That is the main valley. This is the Kurram River. So this is the Sargoda. This is the Shapur, this is the Kushab and Joharabad, and this is the Kundian railway junction. North is the Mian Valley. This is the Namal Lake, Namal University. So we can see all this is the Thal Desert. So this is the Dera Ismail Khan. Now in the Pakhtunkhwa, Pakhtun province or Sarihad Suba, northwest province, frontier province. These districts were taken away from British Punjab around about 1905. That is the Hazara region, Peshawar region, Kohat region. Those three or four districts at that time designated. So you can see the Jang town here. This is the Bakar and Laya Kot Ad will be here. We are continuing, and this is the Multan. This is the junction, Khanewal junction, and from Multan, Muzaffargarh here, and this is the Dera Ghazi Khan, and this is the Satluj River. This is the Chenab River. So we can see which Sharif here, Alipur here, Maitan Court will be here. I will zoom it, zoom down, but you will see the less and less. So you can see the Satluj River, Chenab River. You can see this part is the Thal Desert, Sindhu Mata River, and Trans-Indus region, that is the Dera Valley, Derajat region, south of Satluj. You can see Cholistan Desert, that is the Bahawalpur princely state. So I think I covered most of it, and we will explore further the next part, that is the, I think, Bahawalpur princely state. Yeah, Cholistan Desert region, that is the Bahawalpur princely state. In part 18, we'll explore. So that's what Thal Desert I have covered. And if you feel these presentations are very unique, interesting you, they quench your intellectual curiosity and enlighten you about the land, terrain of Bhumata, Mother Earth, Bharat Mata, South Asian region, south of Landi Kotal and Khyber, to north of sacred Kanyakumari town from Kalat, Balochistan to Kamarupa in Ahom's territory, Pragjyotishapura. You can subscribe this channel and put your comments, bring it to the notice of your friends. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps. See you in the next presentation. Mitrona Vanakam for the next presentation.